Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center kabadon hanong ba Shillong harangkat kajingi trailang bat ka Apollo Hospitals Group kalapan bena ban sa Pynlong ya ke Mega Health Awareness Campaign kabalai Sngi kaban sedang nadu ka Shipau tarik bat kabaan sa penkut hadu ka khat ar tarik uyayong arajar arpusan. Kani kajing temu kalong ban pensngu thu syagipai ba nong snong jonganong ba Shillong bat kisnong gi mamarjan bakin tip kumno ban sumar sukheri ladi bat ban tip kamkloy ya kajing pang gi badon hakamet. Chief Executive Officer jangka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Shillong, Deba Priya Deb, hagajing ikran berkilat patai kubor haga kendai tarik uyayong arajar arpusan, ulai itu bakani ke center ke don yaki super specialty doctor consultation ki baju ajing syakri haki hospital jangka Apollo Group ke badan hanong ba Guwahati, Kolkata, bat Chennai.
Hello, I'm Uday Shankar. I'm from Apollo Hospitals, Guwahati. As you know, Apollo is the flagship healthcare delivery system across the country, and we are a group of hospitals, more than 73 hospitals into our group, and we are having more than 10,000 bed capacity across the country. So Apollo Hospital is the pioneer for many medical advances in the country, and continuously doing and bringing up new technology to serve the people. So Apollo Hospitals, basically in Northeast we have two hospitals, in Apollo Hospitals Guwahati and Apollo Excel Care Hospital. Also in Eastern Zone, if I say, to Apollo Kolkata is the flagship hospitals, which is having more than 600 beds, almost 750 beds. And this is our first footprint in the state of Meghalaya as Apollo Trinity, and this is one of the state-of-the-art healthcare delivery system where we are having high-end diagnostics, we have preventive health checkups and other pharmacy and all sorts of facilities. And going forward also we are adding up some more facilities like CT scan, dialysis, etc. Also I would like to highlight one point here, that Apollo Hospitals has brought up this wonderful preventive health check program. We call it ProHealth, as you can see in our banner. So Apollo ProHealth is an AI-based preventive health check program where we do health checkup of persons, and then we also predict their health risks, and also make them aware about what are the risks they are living on and how we can manage that. Our beloved chairman sir, Dr. Pratap C. Reddy, is always have a dream to do lots of preventive health checks through all the hospitals and other clinics, and living with their dreams. We also started this ProHealth program here in Shillong for the people of Meghalaya and peripheral areas. So this is a center where a person can come do their preventive health checkups, and then they can at least understand and rule out that they are really fit, which is very essential these days. We are living with lots of lifestyle diseases. So these lifestyle diseases we should know for better management, and accordingly we can lead our life. Our beloved chairman sir also says, he has a strong fight against preventing NCDs, non-communicable diseases. So preventive health checkup is the program where we can find out, we can early detect if anybody have any kind of non-communicable diseases like cardiac diseases, like liver diseases or any kidney ailment, and so that we can prevent them. So with these objectives, Apollo Trinity is also doing lots of health checkups program and diagnostic things. So we will request you to spread this message to the people of Shillong that Apollo Trinity Medical Center is here providing world-class healthcare system.
We have all the diagnostic facilities available here. Doctors are available here, and obviously we have pharmacy also to cater to the medicine request. So basically we are trying to give the world-class facility which Apollo is known for across India. We are trying to give that kind of service here in Shillong. And with the specialists who will be sitting here, these are the top specialists who will be coming regularly to Shillong.
Our beloved chairman always had this dream of giving quality health care to the last mile, to last person of this country. So on his thought process, we have built up this Trinity Medical Center here in Shillong with diagnostic facility, with OPD facility. Going forward, it will also have a lot of other facilities adding to the treatment that we will be giving here. The added things that we are doing apart from the ProHealth is that we will be having lot of super specialists coming over here, right from cardiologist, a pulmonologist, maybe a gynecologist, maybe an oncologist, pediatrician, orthopedician. So these all are specialists. Why they need to come here? Because there are a lot of patients. They need to go for their first OPD consultation to outside the city, outside the state. So if once they come here, they can do their first consultation here. Maybe if they go outside the state for their higher management, for higher treatment, their follow-up also can be done here. So the facility of having first consultation and follow-up at their hometown, that will be an added benefit while they avail the facility at Apollo Trinity in Shillong. So this is our message that our doctors will be traveling here every week. Every week there will be some specialty doctor here attending the OPDs. We request all the citizen and population of Meghalaya to kindly come and avail the service and take the message to their near and dear.
For activities that we have lined up on the occasion of the World Health, celebrating the World Health Week, one of the awareness talks that we are doing is in SBI, State Bank of India. Tomorrow, that is on 10th April, we are doing with SBI. We are also doing a health talk with Lions Club. So the super specialty doctors from Apollo Kolkata, Apollo Guwahati, they will be delivering the health talks. On 11th April, we are doing a free health screening camp and consultation with our doctors. Right? These are all the super specialty doctors who will be coming from our various units of Apollo, be it Calcutta, be it Guwahati, who will be here to do a free consultation for the citizens of Meghalaya. So everybody is welcome to come and join the free screening camp, where they will be screened for their basic parameters and they can actually meet the super specialist doctor right here in Apollo Shillong. On 11th only, at around 7 o'clock, we are having a CME meet in collaboration with MMSA, Meghalaya, and that basically we are inviting all the doctors of Shillong, where again the specialist doctors from our various units will be discussing about the health topics. On 12th, we are having a basic life support training given to students, to colleges, to NCC, to police, to Bharat Scouts and Guides. Again, that's a free training, will be provided at Apollo Center, conducted by Apollo Guwahati.